You rolled out Microsoft Copilot to your entire organization, but nobody's using it. You're checking the metrics, you're checking the analytics, and you realize that only 25% of your licenses are being used by the employees within your organization. Why? This tool is amazing. It does so many things. Why is nobody using it? Hey everyone, my name is Amelia Roberts. I am the Copilot Queen here at Pragmatic Works. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are busting the biggest myths that sabotage Copilot adoption. And I'm going to show you how to fix it fast. Myth number 1. If we turn it on, they will use it. Copilot is not a self-explanatory tool. Without proper training and context, most users won't even try it. Many people are very hesitant to using AI, and this is just another one of those tools and technologies that they think, I have to learn how to use this. Isn't it just magic? How can we fix this? We can create role-specific use cases and show real-world examples to the people using Copilot daily. Putting it in their perspective is going to help them know, how am I going to use this to help me in my role? 2. Everyone knows how to write a prompt. This is unbelievably untrue. Prompting is a skill, and it is not common sense. Many people come to a generative AI tool and they think, I'm just going to use this how I would use any other search engine. I'm going to type a few keywords like I do into a Bing search and hope for the best. Then they get kind of irritated when it doesn't provide the response that they want. Prompting is a method, and there are proper things that need to go into a prompt to get the right response. How can we help our employees with this process? We can run something called a promptathon, where you teach the 4 main ingredients to a good prompt. Those 4 main ingredients are context, goal, source, and expectations. If you want to learn more about this, I'll link my YouTube video below. Myth number 3, Copilot just works right out of the box. This can be partially true, but if your data is messy or your permissions are misaligned, Copilot will not deliver the way you hope it will. Copilot is only going to allow you to see and retrieve responses based on the security and permissions already set in place. If you do not have permission to see something in SharePoint, it's not going to pull information from that SharePoint. How do we fix this? Clean up your data. Clean up your SharePoint, clean up your Teams, clean up your OneDrive structure, align your permissions with intended use, and then it will be smooth sailing when you go to prompt your AI. Myth number 4, we don't need any outside help. In all honesty, most organizations don't have the internal bandwidth or expertise to train everyone effectively. There may be one champion in your organization who really believes in Copilot and knows how to use it. But do they have the ability to teach everyone about it? Do they have the time to teach everyone about it? The fix to this is hiring outside help. That's why I am recommending you bring in the experts. Pragmatic Works, of course. We offer hands-on Copilot training tailored to your team's needs. Whether you're onboarding execs or enabling users, we are going to help you get where you want to be fast. Myth number 5, Copilot is going to replace people. Copilot is exactly as the name describes. It is a co-pilot, an assistant to your success. It enhances human work. It does not replace it. How can we fix this for our employees and other people in our organization? Reframe the narrative. Show them that Copilot is going to save you time, it's going to reduce burnout, and it's going to improve creativity. Unfortunately, it is not a magician and it can't automatically do your job for you. Myth number 6, Copilot is going to train my team and teach them how to use it automatically. There is no built-in onboarding wizard or guided training within Copilot. You need structured training sessions, you need role-based demonstrations, and you need ongoing support. Copilot is constantly evolving in the best way, and to make sure that your team and your organization is ready at all times and knows how to use these tools is in your best interest. Once again, here at Pragmatic Works, we can step in with those tailored workshops and hands-on guidance to help you in the process. Myth number 7, Copilot is only for power users. This is completely wrong. It's for everyone, from admins to executives to stay-at-home moms to your coffee barista. Anybody can be successful and make their life more efficient using Copilot. How can we make sure that everybody feels they can use Copilot? We can showcase simple, everyday use cases that a wide audience can use. This can include summarizing emails, drafting meeting notes, or even creating presentations. We need to normalize usage across all levels of tech comfort. The last myth, myth 8, is we'll figure it out as we go. Now, I hear a lot of organizations come to us and they say, we thought we could figure it out as we go. Without a clear adoption strategy, most users won't engage with Copilot meaningfully, which is going to cause drop-off in usage eventually. How do we fix this? You need to build an intentional rollout plan with champions, feedback loops, and even measurable goals. You need to include something like a kickoff campaign to get people motivated to want to use the tool, have internal success stories of other users, and also make sure you're having those regular check-ins to see how and when people are using Copilot. If you and your organization are serious about Copilot adoption, bust these myths early. And if you've already adopted Copilot and you want help training your team, check out Pragmatic Works. We are there for every step of the process. I also have quite a few YouTube videos here on our channel that can help you along the way as well. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want, drop your biggest Copilot myth in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.